So now that I have laid out the foundations, let me go into the vertical industry categories. In the world of exponential growth in human population and even great demand to grow to more or better quality food using few resources, such as the land, water, fertilizers, pest controls, we have experienced a lot of interest for wireless agriculture solutions. Our weather sensor work in greenhouses and open fields under harshest conditions and remote locations where stable AC or DC may not be readily available or stable. So the advantage of having them run on a standard AA batteries with a battery life of 1 year greatly reduces the costs and maintenance. The sensors can connect either to USB coordinators, Ethernet Wi-Fi gateways via the internet, or GPIs, GSM gateways through the 3G, or better networks depending on what is available at the site. We operate under a zero data loss model, so readings from sensors are logged locally until successful transfer has been confirmed. And store readings in gateways are kept until successful transfer to the local system via LAN or to the cloud system has been confirmed. Users can analyze the data and manage their system in real time using their own customized or third-party software or our standalone or cloud software for simple integration, making it equally accessible on desktop computers and smart mobile devices. In addition to be able to set limits for early warning, our gateways have an added advantage of being able to control systems via our wireless relay output devices. When the buffer zones are reached, the limits are rarely, if ever, hit. For example, turning on the heater to raise the temperature when it begins to get cold, or starting the irrigation pump when the soil is dry to ensure they do not go beyond acceptable limits. We use profiles to simplify the setup and control the microenvironment system within larger spaces for growing different plants or experimenting or discovering more effective growing environments. Our gateways can work independently, so there is no delay in managing the environment because the necessary control signals are sent as soon as the sensor arrives at the gateway. And if the gateways lose connection to upload the data to cloud or local system, they can continue to log incoming data from the wireless sensors and control the wireless relay outputs. Unlike the typical office or industry environment where the sensors can be relatively protected, in the agriculture environment, the sensors can be exposed to extreme elements. So we have listened to our customers' request for affordable IP66 dust-tight and waterproof sensors and have added them to our range. So it is no longer necessary to pay high prices or install additional weather-protected enclosures for the sensors. For an owner or supervisor, instead of relying on old and insufficient data due to costs or inconvenience of manually gathering data, with our cost-effective wireless sensing network and its data analysis and automated precision control, the rapid return on investment becomes quite obvious. Using our products and solutions to apply just the right amount of heating, cooling, water, and other required elements create the ideal environment for best crop using few resources. The remote alert monitoring and control frees up time to be elsewhere or focus on other important things. We are starting work with agriculture site owners and supervisors over the world in the North and South Americas, in Europe, in Asia. They are all seeing the value simple wireless solutions with integrated management can bring to improve their operations and realize rapid return on investment in the process. The following are some initial photos taken on site where our sensors and systems are beginning to be installed in agricultural sites around the world.